Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is John Samuel Smith, and today we're going to be going over the year 2020. Now I know 2020 was a really tough year, not just for me, but for everyone out there. 2020, we all overcame adversity dealing with the deaths of Kobe Bryant, who I don't know if you guys are, but I'm a huge basketball fan, and his death meant a lot to me because his experience here on earth and everything that he embodied as an individual meant a lot to me. But then dealing with the whole coronavirus pandemic, which is a whole nother ball game, was a lot for me and everyone else as well. So dealing with the virus, dealing with the shutdowns of everything, the government, local level, state level, and national level, it was tough, not just for me and my family, but I know for everyone out there. We all dealt with things that we're not accustomed to and had to overcome adversity and find new ways to get things accomplished that we weren't accustomed to, but we made it through. And I know a lot of people out there have lost family members, friends, loved ones that they'll never be able to call again, but the thing about it is adversity comes in different forms, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm here for you guys. Please make sure that you tell the people that you love and care about them, that you do love and care about them, because like we all saw in the year 2020, tomorrow is not promised, and you want to make sure that you're living your life to the fullest. Along with that, making sure that you are telling the people that you do love and care about, that you do love and care about them while you still have them. Another thing about 2020 that was really tough for me dealing with was the whole George Floyd riot situation, where George Floyd was killed by the Minneapolis police, and that was a really tough situation for me as an individual. I'm a black man. I do live in the Minneapolis area, and I have been arrested by the police, and I know exactly how it feels to be discriminated against and be looked at as someone who's doing something a lot worse than what it really is. And I know that in that situation, it could have been any one of us that looked like George Floyd. That was something that was really emotional, not just for me, but for my family, and dealing with that situation was a tough one. 2020 was not easy for any of us, but there was a lot of things that we all had to overcome and deal with within that year. And I just want to say, everyone, congratulations, you made it out of 2020, but let's make 2021 something that we can all be proud of, and make something of a legacy that we can continue on moving forward. And for everyone out there, I want to make sure that you guys know that tomorrow is not promised, but you got to make the best of today. Whatever today is for you, make sure that you make the best of it. Another thing I really wanted to share with you guys is a chance that you guys can make not just yourselves happy, but like your families. Making sure that you got a chance to either call someone. So at the end of this video, when you get done watching this video, if you're on your phone, use that same phone that you used to click on this video, call up a loved one, call up a family member, call up a friend, tell them, I love you. Tell them that, you miss them, or tell them that you care about them. There's a lot of different ways to show that within your own actions. So I just want you guys to do that one little thing for me. And then also like, subscribe, and follow me. I have my Instagram page up here, _real_ John Sam on Instagram. Again, that's _real_ and then John Sam on Instagram, and then on Facebook at John Samuel Smith on Facebook. Again, I want to say we made it. We're in 2021. Let's make the best of it, and let's keep going hard and